Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the How to Stock Market series here with your host, Jimmy K. For this video, we'll be going over the ticker symbol RCON, also known as Recon technology. It's an oil-related services and, just closing today on January 16, 2018, the company announced that it is cooperating with FGSs to develop a blockchain-based mobile shopping system that's pretty rampant in various gas stations across China at the moment, and may expand to the global markets, maybe to here in the US or to other countries that find value in this type of system. So if we look at the chart here, we can see that it closed at a price of $3.03 here. Overall increased 77% intraday, as we can see here. Huge winner with this announcement of blockchain systems. So if we look at the chart from its initial IPO, we can see that it has been consistently downtrending since its release, from around the $7 to $10 range. The max peak was at $10. It may, this news may allow it to push it back up to these levels, but it's not really certain as of yet. We can see it's been consistently trading around the $4 to $7 range on a consistent basis here. Recently, and from 2013 to 2015, it's been around consistently within the $3 to $7 ranges. So we can see the support and resistance levels are consistently hitting these peaks within this range. So it's very likely that the stock may bounce back up to these levels and trade within these margins in the coming weeks, based on the news and how the company goes forward in providing value for its customers here. But mostly, as we can see here, it's been more so trading around the $1 to $3 range. So it's definitely a very volatile stock, very volatile penny stock to be more specific, and it's very uncertain on how this blockchain system will affect the stock for the long term. Some people may be bullish and think that it may bounce back to the $4 to $7 range, or it could also be shorted back down to the $1 range here. But I would say that it's very likely for this stock to definitely hit within the $4 to $7 ranges going into the coming weeks, as it has a history of trading at these levels, and it has been fairly consolidated. So the market generally agreed that it is, the valuation could be within these range, and it's very likely that could happen, and that it would push it back up to those levels. So if we look at the news from Yahoo Finance, we can see that China-based independent solutions integrator of the oil field service, electric power, and coal chemical industries, signed a 2-year joint development. So over the next 2 years, this may have significant growth. Development sheet with the future gas stations in Beijing. FGS is a leading data operation company, and it owns 8% of FGS. Their Recon and FGS are both integrating a blockchain-based mobile shopping system for use in gas stations. So this will include, providing resources including funds, support personnel, and compliance management advice. The management, states that we're glad to cooperate further with FGS to further develop, explore, and the effective use of blockchain technology in our businesses. CEO, we are excited about the opportunities. So overall, it's very bullish on the crypto market and the transition into the various cryptocurrencies in order to make it more of a commercial level of where customers are able to spend and trade cryptocurrencies to purchase products and even services. And apparently China is on the lead with that, with their with the gas station services. And this is definitely just the start of the blockchain technology and being in the consumer market. And if this business plan goes well, then we can see a new future for blockchain technology and cryptos in general, and it may even expand to even other global markets such as the US and and other countries that find value in this blockchain technology. The platform has implemented by more than 150 gas stations, so it's on a fairly larger scale, and it's been downloaded more than 80,000 times, with 93% of downloaders activating the application and more than 86% purchased through the app. So the app, this is allowing a lot of flexibility and variability. Flexibility in how consumers can purchase products, and this is a leading innovation in how we exchange goods. Basically, we have recent daily sales through app reaching 1.6 million, and we expect the average to reach about 90 million in the next 3 months. So apparently overall this technology seems to be very bullish, and a lot of people are on board with this technology and this type of service in order to use an app to purchase goods, rather than transitioning out of physical currencies such as dollars or whatever type of physical currency you guys use or have. So that's essentially why this company was such a huge gainer today in the market. Its products are very well accepted by clients. So yeah, a lot of people are very bullish on this and see a lot of potential with this type of technology, and many companies may take advantage of this type of system coming into the future. years and time to come, right? So a lot of news about blockchain technology, which is making drastic moves into the market, and it's people are definitely reacting to these various news, and it should be taken into consideration of how this may play out long term for not only this company but for other companies that are interested in getting involved in blockchain technology and using that type of system for their own businesses. So once again, guys, I hope you all found this video educational. I hope you all learned something and gained some insight on why ticker Recon was such a huge winner today in the market. And if you guys have any opinions on the long-term valuation of this company, will it be shorted in the coming weeks? Will it be traded on a more long-term scale? So yeah, please let me know in the comments below. And once again, y'all, take it easy. Peace.